Tries. We're Brooke and H, and we are on our last Halloween edition tries.
We are doing a spooky, scary, haunted house in this hallway.
As you can see, we have decorations up, and you're gonna see it when it's dark, but it looked pretty cool back then, so let us know what you think.
So I hope you enjoy watching, and we'll see you soon.
No, you're fine. I feel like trying. I'm trying to keep my lip up.
Where are you going? We're just getting the fun started. Don't you want to join us for a little food?
I think I'm cool, actually. I think, you know.
All right.
You made it!
Alright.
That was
The
not that
drill
bad.
low-key got me. The drill did low-key get me.
Don't say anything. Two birds.
No.
Just because we didn't.
A1 acting. I don't. Oh no. Alright, this is. Oh, that's. Oh no. Sorry.
Where are you going? We're just getting the fun started. Don't you want to stick around and join us for some fun?
Not really.
Sorry.
Rats, you finished. How do you feel?
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Hi, Adam.
What up?
Hi, Logan.
Hello.
Have you scared anyone yet?
I think I got 2 people.
Good job. I haven't. Hey. Vlog.
Leaving already? We're just getting the fun started. Don't you want to stick around?
Girl, that voice. H is so dramatic.
Good. I have the GoPro video.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Sorry it took a minute. We were just like, are they gonna come or?
Woo! Yippee